GBV which are there. Do we not wish that Xoxo's mother had a friend in ANC politicians or had friends in higher places? Do we not wish that the 13-year-old teenage pregnant girl from Seshego had friends in higher places who could elevate their cases to parliament? Do we not wish that the victims of rape of Omotoso had friends in ANC politicians and friends in higher places who could take and elevate their cases to such institutions? Do we not wish the many women and children in South Africa who are ignored, who are neglected, who are overlooked, had friends in higher places or relatives in higher places who would be able to elevate their issues to be discussed at this level? It doesn't happen. We don't see it happening. So I take exception. I think these are very questionable characters which are bringing these cases before Parliament. If this portfolio committee chair, which I would support, by the way, wants to look into this matter, I think we must do it independently as a portfolio committee without any outside influence from people who are coming from this ministry or this department, because they've not shown us any intention of resolving the genuine issues which are affecting women and children in South Africa. But they want to nitpick and choose certain cases because perhaps it becomes